things you do for a feed, eh? Just trying to catch a few squid. G'day everyone. So I've come down to Woodies, but I haven't picked the greatest day for it. Have a look at this. That's misty rain, very light drizzle, but look at the mist it's causing, the poor visibility. So yeah, that's raining. There is a northerly blowing. I'm sheltered from it by the sand dunes here, but there's quite a strong northerly blowing, so it could be a very interesting morning trying to catch a squid. But look at this. One thing that is in my favour is the water is crystal clear. So if I can put up with the wind and rain, I should be able to bag a few squid. Anyway, let's get out there and get into it. Middle of summer. The literal middle of summer. You wouldn't know it. Anyway, let's get out there. Yeah, crystal clear water. It's been a while since I've been squidding too. I've been focusing so much on trying to catch flathead in the river that I've kind of forgotten about other forms of fishing. So yeah, it's going to be nice to hopefully get out and bag a few. I have been meaning to get down here and have a dive for some crabs too, but you know, life gets in the way, I suppose. Work, family commitments, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, let's just take this morning for what it is and see if I can bag a few squid. So it appears I might be a bit lucky. That northerly is coming straight over my shoulder, so it is keeping the ocean pretty flat. It's an offshore wind for this area, so I might be fortunate there. And it's not actually raining on me right at this second, so we'll take that as a bonus. Though apologies in advance for any raindrops on the camera, because that's bound to happen. But the water is just so clear, so I'm actually reasonably confident of picking up a nice feed of squid this morning. Hopefully I can get it done. Bag half a dozen. Chuck a few on the barbie tonight with a couple of beers. Anyway, enough talking about it. Let's actually do it. Here we go. One of the morning. Let's get him to the boat. I'll try and get some underwater photos if I get some better light, but for right now, let's just get him in the net. There we go. First customer of the morning. Only a littly, but we'll take that. Happily take that. There we go. We're underway. Cool. There's a bit of rain rolling through again. I can't even make out the other end of Jarvis Bay here. Fully rained in, misty morning. Not what you expect in the middle of January in Freo. Oh well. Oh, here we go. There's one right here. It's just about to say, oh, well, we take it as it comes, so we certainly do take it as it comes. This one might be slightly better than the last one too. There it is. Yep, a little better than the last one. Still a typical woody squid. There he is. Yeah, like I said, the weather's pretty ordinary, but the water's very clear, so I should be good to get a feed. Alright, let's keep going. Here we go, here's another one. Hope that camera's clear enough for you to see. Apologies again for any water on the lens. It's only a little fella. That's okay. There he is. Gotcha. Cool. Oh well, we'll get the feed together, despite the elements. There you go, another little one. That'll do just nicely. So that little window in the weather that was forecast, I don't think I'm going to get that. So it is a little bit uncomfortable out here, so I'm just going to stick close to the groin, I think. Stay in this general area. I usually go a bit further down and do a bit longer of a lap, but not today. I might just stay in this area here. Make life as comfortable for myself as I can. Well, that's a bit nicer. The rain's cleared for now, and as I get closer to the groin I'm protected from the wind a bit more, so yeah, I'm just going to stay in this area, I think. It's going to be one of those mornings where if I can bag half a dozen squid, it'll be a good morning. Here's one. Here we go. Only a littly, that's fine. It's going to be one of those mornings where you're happy to take whatever comes along. Gotcha. Good stuff. Let's have a look. There you go, bog standard woody squid. Awesome. Another little one here. This is definitely the spot to hang around in, I think. Much calmer here, much more comfortable. And I'm bagging squid, so it'd be a fool to leave really, wouldn't I? Another little one. Might be feet of crumb squid on the barbie. I haven't had crumb squid in a while, so might be the go tonight. A few for food, although ones like that are perfect for bait, so might keep a few for bait as well. Here he comes again. Gonna get wet for a while. Things you do for a feed, eh? Just trying to catch a few squid. I think this is about as calm as it's going to get today. It's pretty good. Rain's sort of cleared, although could be back at any second. The wind's about as calm as it's going to get all day. So now's the time. If we can bag one or two more squid, that'll be half a dozen or so. I keep saying that, but that's the goal. That'll be a good morning. And I've got the place to myself pretty much, which is just the way I like it. Yeah. Pretty good morning despite the conditions. Here we go. This is only a very small one, but it's going to be a very welcome one. Might even try to get a underwater photo of this one. Or do I just get it in the net? It's pretty small. It's not going to be the most exciting photo. Yeah, we'll just net it. Gotcha. Alright. That's half a dozen. Mission accomplished. But I mean, the conditions are about as good as they're going to get, so I might stay out for a little while longer. But yeah, that's mission accomplished, goal achieved. Half a dozen squid. Nice little feed. Well, it's gone very quiet, but have a look at that. The sun's out and it's surprisingly warm already. Well, maybe not surprising, it is the middle of summer. It's yeah, nice to get a bit of sunlight. But yeah, it's a little quiet, so I might just do one more lap up and back. Look at the conditions now, so much better than earlier. Maybe I got here too early. Anyway, one more trip up and back, see if I can pick up one or two more, and then I'm gonna head in. There we go. Gee, it's been a while. It's been quite a while since I've got one. There it is on the surface. I've actually come much further down than I intended. The conditions are just so much better. Let's see if we can get a photo of this one. good a photo that was, but anyway. Yeah. So as you can see, I've come down much further than I intended. But, oh well, did the trick. And that's probably the best one of the day, really. Not big, but yeah, happily take it. Anyway, I'm definitely heading back now. Yeah, the utes all the way over there, so I'm definitely, this is the last run, and we'll see if we can pick up any more squid. Righto, last one for the morning. I'm quite literally on my way back in now, so this is a bonus. I'll happily take it. Here it comes. Nice one. Good way to finish. Good way to finish. Nice stuff. Ripper, so that's 8 for the morning. I'm gonna pack up, whiz home, clean them up, and yeah, see you at the shed. I'll show you the catch when I'm at home. Yeah, there you go. See you in the shed. Okay, well, g'day again everyone. I'm back home now, and here's the catch. Let's have a look. I have got an inky mess, so I'll clean them up and then we'll have a proper look. Okay, so that's a bit more like it. You can actually see what they are. So we ended up with 8. Nothing huge, no great monsters there, not setting any records, but just a pretty pleasing catch of squid from Woodman Point. That's pretty much what you expect. So yeah, good morning on the water. I'll eat some of them will go for bait, especially the smaller ones like them. But yeah, pretty happy with that. And it's been a while since I've caught some squid too, or even been on the kayak really. So yeah, good morning on the water. So thanks for coming fishing with me guys. Tight lines. See you next time.